Welcome. Let us solve experiment number 5. Let us consider this a simply supported beam with inclined loads. To compute SFD and VMD and whatever the deformation it undergoes. Conditions are given, it's mild steel 210 GPa, cross section is given, Poisson's ratio is mentioned. There are 3 inclined loads at a distance of 1 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter from the left end. Let us solve in pattern, Nusselt pattern. I have already opened the pattern. Let me click a new file. Let me provide the path E. It's in my drive folder. Experiment number 5. EX5 will give. Okay. Geometry. Curve. XYZ. The length is, what is the length? 6 meters. 6 meters. Auto execute off. Apply. Properties isotropic. Again same mild steel as we have solved in the earlier cases. Input properties 210 E9 0.27. Okay, apply. The material has been created. Beam, simply supported beam. Input properties, let me select the cross section, filled cross section, rectangular cross section. Width and height are provided. 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, I hope, right? 0.2 and 0.3. 0.2 is width, height is 0.3. Okay. Select material from here. Bar orientation 0, -1, 0. Okay. Select application region. Select the curve. Add. Okay. Apply. The curve has been created. Simply supported beam created. Meshing. Mesh. Curve. Now, one important thing to notice is it is giving 0.6, but we need, if I consider 0.6 meter as element length, I'll get for the second element it will be 1.2. I'll not be getting any node at 1 meter. So better what I can make is, I can make this 0.5 so that I'll get a node at 1 meter, 2 meter or 3 meter, whatever the distance. Apply. 13 nodes created, 12 elements are created. Which kind of element I have used? It's a bar 2. 2 noded bar element. Simplest element. Then loads and boundary conditions. To observe the nodes, I can label it. Loads and boundary conditions. Let me fix the displacement. Input data. Let me provide here 0, 0, 0. The reason is the loads are inclined. Even I'll rotations also I'll provide. I'll make it fixed rather than a simple support. The reason is there are loads in they are inclined loads. There will be component along X and as well as Y. So Z I can ignore, no issues. But better I can restrict so that there will be a constraint so that I can observe the deformation. Select application region. I'll hold the shift button and select nodes. It's not point here. I should change it to FEM. Select nodes, shift 1, node 1 and node 13. Add. Okay. Apply. It's rather I have made it a fixed beam. Then forces. There are 3 forces at different inclination. Let me make it F1 first. Input data. See, this is important here. I have already calculated the loads. They are inclined loads. So the components along x and y I have calculated and I have written here. The first force, it is a 10 kilonewton at 60 degree. So I have calculated the cos and sine part. The cos part is towards negative x direction. It is minus 5000 comma minus 8660.2 comma 0. Let me check. X and y are given. Okay. Select application region. I must select the third node. Add. Okay. Apply. So it's almost 10 kilonewton. 9.99.95. That's alright. If you consider the digits properly, then probably you will get it 10 kilonewton. Then the second force, it's F2. Input data will change. What are the values I have? I have same values. Okay. 10,606.6 and the similar value I have for the second also. 10,606.6. It is 15 cos 45 here and 15 sin 45 here. Okay. Select application region. Which is the location? 3 meters. 2, 3, 4. 6th node, I guess. 6th node. 1, 7th node. Yeah, 7th node. Okay. Apply. So almost 15 kilonewton, very close value. Then one more force is available, F3. Input data. I have values calculated here. The values are 25, 980.8 and the second one is 15,000. Okay, that is a 30 cos 30 and 30 sin 30. Select application region. It is at a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 elements, that means 9th node. Node number 9. Add. Okay. Apply. Okay, so these are the inclined loads which are there in the system. We have provided boundary conditions. Now next analysis. Analysis deck. Subcases. Default. Output request. Select the components here. Click OK. Apply. Cancel. Apply. No analysis requested. Open Neston. Open the folder to cross verify. Here it is asking access. I need to change the folder path here. Access 5, PDF file, open, run. Neston has solved the file. F06, check for error. Control F, find. Fatal. No error. It's fine. Now open pattern again. Access results. HDF file, select result file, exercise 5, OK, apply, and attach result file. Alright, now results, displacement translation layer, displacement translation, apply. You can write this image, maximum is 2.94 into 10 to the power minus 4. Images, displacement image. You can reset the graphics, check SFT BMD, beam results, select the first one, XY show results, select this, apply. I'm not sure whether it is correct, we may need to verify theoretically. File, images, SFT. Similarly, reset, second one, select Y and Z, apply. You can change the orientation and view, write the image. That's all. Thank you for watching.